For French piping, a French piped seam, I take my seam allowance, I double it, and then I decide how much extra fabric or how much of the piping I want showing. So for this, I wanted 1/4 of an inch. So then I took that, or not 1/4, 1/8 of an inch. So I took that and I doubled that. So then I got my total width. I took it, let's say this was a print or something, fold it and pressed so that the wrong sides are together, right side is out. I'm gonna place this right along the edge of my fabric. So now it's been pinned. So now I have that pop of color in my seam. What you'll then do is finish this edge, and then so it'll be like the single overlock edge finish, and then press your seam towards one side